Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be looking at how you can create fancy captions in Descript. So whether you need captions or cool looking captions for your Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, or YouTube Shorts, this is a software that you want to check out. So let me show you how it works. Let's go. Okay, so once you've signed up for Descript, you will come into your dashboard. You'll click on New Project. Over here you can either upload a file or you can record, and as you record it's going to transcribe your audio from the video or the audio that you're actually recording directly into the software. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to choose a file. So I'll choose that one over there. Okay, it's going to ask me for the speaker names. In this case, let's say it's Lyle, and I'm click add. If there's more than one speaker, the AI can actually go and detect the different speakers, because you might want to add different functionality to each speaker. Or different like scenes and transitions and different colors for your captions. But because it's only me, I'm going to name myself. I'm going to click on done. It's going to go ahead and it's going to transcribe the audio from this video. Okay, so you'll click on, there's a transcription as I indicated in the past. You'll come and you'll just review this to make sure that it actually makes sense, that it didn't misspell anything. Because again, when you put out content, you don't want to have typos and things like that, because it doesn't look good. Okay, so click on the T over there, click on captions, and I'm going to click play real quick.
Hey guys, I'm using this.
So you'll see over there the captions popped up over there. A few things I want to show you real quick. If I click on the fill over there, I can change the color. So if I go back.
Hey guys, I'm using Descript right as my video.
So in that particular instance, by doing that, the fill is going to fill the words that you've already spoken. So as you speak, you can see it's changing it to red. Okay. So that's if you want those plain sort of captions. Let's just take that feature off over there, make the fill white again. So by leaving it white, you'll see it's having this effect of the words popping up as you speak. Okay, so that's that over there. The feature that I like to use is if you click on this over here, you'll see that there's a clean option, which is the one that you just saw now. You've got the classic option, and what the classic option is, if you come back,
hey guys, I'm using
all the words appear on the screen. I can change the color. All of them will have the same color. Okay, something just to point out real quick, important, you might have a favorite color, but make sure that the color that you're using for your captions doesn't clash with your clothing or the particular area on the screen where the caption is going to appear. So like I wouldn't want to use a caption that's that color because it doesn't look good. Okay, so let's come back and switch this back to white real quick. Let's go back over here and let's click play.
Hey guys,
Click on that over there. Captions pops up over here. The one that I like is, if you click on this little area over here, is karaoke. Okay, so karaoke has this little effect with that a little block or background behind it. And you'll see this real quick.
hey guys, I'm using.
And again, because I've got a blue t-shirt on, I might change the background color maybe to a red. So check this out.
Hey guys, I'm using this.
It's already starting to look a lot better. Click on that. Click on captions. You can change the color over here. The future word, you can see that it's down to 50.2%. So it kind of looks like it's not quite there. If I turn this up to 100%, you'll see it's going to be white like the first words. But if you want to have that effect of where it's kind of appearing as you go, you could drop this down to even like 36%. And check this out.
Hey guys, I'm using Descript.
And so it's like it's filling up as you move along in the video. The other thing that I wanted to show you over here is if you come to, let's see, your full word, you can change your full word like that. That's the full word for that within the block. I don't like the way that looks. I tend to just leave this one white like that. The other thing is, if you click play again, if I click on that and you come back to this over here, if I wanted to make my future word like a solid color, as I said, white, I could do that. And then also in addition to that, if I wanted my, let's see, if I go out of this, click X,
Hey guys, I'm using Descript.
I can have it flow like that where it's solid. I prefer to have it like that, but again, if you wanted to make the words after your current word to be the like color where it's like it's not quite there, but it is quite there. I showed you guys how to do that, but what I wanted to show you now real quick is you can adjust the size over there. Just make sure. Sometimes I've seen videos where it's so tiny you can barely see it, but you want to have it at a nice size. But bear in mind, depending on the platform that you're using, you don't want it to be too far to the left or to the right because it might cut off. And you don't want to have it too low because on certain platforms, there might be words or ads that pops up. So it's going to take away from the ability for people to see the captions. So you might just lift it up slightly like that so that people can actually see what you're doing. You can also just adjust how you want it to appear on the screen. You can change the font over here, the size of the font, if you want it to be bold, and so on. You can adjust using this over here, this layout, to drag it left to right. But again, I just showed you guys that you can actually drag it up and down over there. You can come and add some effects to this. You can add a shadow to it, so that looks like it's popping a bit more. And if you come to the shadow effect over, shadow over there, click on this over here. You can come and add shadows. You can just play around and see what you like over there. You can blur certain things out. So just playing around with the text and just changing the colors over here. Do you want it to be black, red? What's your favorite color? I like black when it comes to applying shadows. I just like the way that it looks for me personally. But you can come and play around with this over here in terms of the extent of the shadow that you're actually applying. I need to move that up slightly so you can see the shadow over there. So I would say if I were you and you were using another software for your captions, this is definitely something to look at, because the cool part about Descript is, guys, it's not just a caption software. It is a software that transcribes. It's a software that allows you to correct mistakes. So like, let's say I made a mistake over here and I said iPhone. I didn't want, I can just say I'm recording at the moment. I didn't want to have that in over there. I can just come and delete that out. So check this out over here. So I'm recording at the moment without any... It wasn't that easy just from an editing perspective, where it just flowed nicely as opposed to having to use a traditional video editor or something on my phone where I need to try and cut and do transitions and things like that to be able to make it flow nicely. And if I decided that I wanted that to be back, I just click that and I'll click play again. I'm recording on my iPhone. And I've got a video where I discussed in more detail how the transcription works, and you can go ahead and watch that video in the main tutorial where I show you how you play around with the and how you remove those filler sort of words. So if you haven't watched the main tutorial, there's a link above where you can watch a more in-depth tutorial where I cover a lot more features than just this feature of transcriptions and captions. For more videos like this on Descript and other softwares that I use, click subscribe below, and I look forward to catching up with you on the next video soon. Bye, guys.